You know what? We've seen the one by home. Let's check out Orlando's arcade time. Ready to have some fun, guys?
Yes.
Let's do this. So you guys, that's a look at arcade time in Orlando.
It's ours back home, the one we showed you, but on steroids.
I've never seen anything like this.
They've got bowling, like real bowling.
I'm speechless. The fact is, it's open 24 hours is awesome. So you guys, you know the drill. You like what we do?
Like, comment, subscribe,
hype the video.
Hype it.
So guys, we love y'all, and we will see you guys next time.
Praise Lord, go Canes, baby.